How to move an Instagram picture to the top. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to move any Instagram picture to the top. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once in your profile, tap on the picture that you'd like to move to the top, so I'm just going to tap on this one. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the picture. Then tap on the option that says pin to your profile, so tap on that one. And now if you head back to your profile, you'll see that this one has now been moved to the top. And that's all it takes to move Instagram pictures to the top. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.